How to Shop Using Klarna Financing is a comprehensive guide that explains the process of using Klarna financing to make purchases online or in store. Klarna is a popular payment service that allows users to buy now and pay later with flexible financing options. To start shopping with Klarna financing, first, you need to create a Klarna account or log in to your existing account. You can do this on the Klarna website or through the Klarna app. Once you have an account, you can browse and shop at any online store that accepts Klarna as a payment method. When you are ready to check out, select Klarna as your payment option and follow the prompts to complete your purchase. You will be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name, address, and date of birth, to verify your identity and determine your eligibility for financing. Klarna offers several financing options, including Pay in 4, Pay in 30, and financing. Pay in 4 allows you to split your purchase into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. Pay in 30 gives you 30 days to pay for your purchase in full, with no interest or fees. Financing allows you to pay for your purchase over a longer period of time, with monthly payments and interest rates that vary depending on your creditworthiness. To choose the best financing option for your needs, consider the total cost of your purchase, your budget, and your financial goals. Make sure to read and understand the terms and conditions of your financing agreement before completing your purchase. Once you have selected your financing option and completed your purchase, you will receive an email from Klarna with instructions on how to manage your payments and track your balance. You can also log in to your Klarna account to view your payment schedule and make payments online. To avoid late fees and interest charges, make sure to make your payments on time. You can set up automatic payments or make manual payments through the Klarna app or website. If you are having trouble making a payment, contact Klarna customer support for assistance. In conclusion, using Klarna financing to make purchases is a straightforward process that requires some basic information and a few minutes of your time. By following these steps and considering your financing options carefully, you can enjoy the benefits of flexible financing and make purchases with confidence. Remember to always read and understand the terms and conditions of your financing agreement and make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges.